This is one of those home gadgets that quietly tries to remove a task you deal with almost every single day, cleaning your floors. And the funny thing is, you don't really realize how repetitive it is until something starts doing it for you in the background. This robot vacuum cleaner and mop combo is designed exactly for that purpose. It focuses on automating everyday floor cleaning so you don't have to keep thinking about it or setting time aside for it. At first glance, the design is minimal and slim. Nothing overly complicated or flashy. But that ultra-thin structure actually plays a big role in performance. It allows the robot to move into tight spaces, especially under sofas, beds, and furniture where dust and dirt tend to accumulate unnoticed. Inside the unit, there's a 3,800 pascal suction system. While that number sounds technical, what matters is how it performs in daily use. It's built to handle common household messes like dust, crumbs, pet hair, and light debris that constantly build up across floors and carpets. For homes with pets, this becomes even more relevant. Pet hair spreads quickly, gets embedded in fabric and carpets, and returns almost immediately after cleaning. This is where a device like this tries to take over the repetitive cleaning cycle. It also supports movement across different surfaces, transitioning between hard floors and carpets without needing manual adjustments. While it doesn't rely on advanced mapping systems, it still manages to move efficiently enough for general home layouts. One of its key features is the integrated mop function. With a 180 milliliters water tank, it handles light wet cleaning while vacuuming at the same time. This is not meant for deep scrubbing or tough stains, but for maintaining a clean surface by removing fine dust and light marks before they build up. Instead of running two separate cleaning processes, it combines vacuuming and mopping into one pass, which adds convenience to everyday cleaning routines. Safety features are also included. Drop sensors help the robot detect stairs or sudden edges so it avoids falling or getting damaged. It also adjusts its movement around obstacles, ensuring it doesn't get stuck or cause interruptions during cleaning cycles. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. This self-charging feature ensures it can continue operating daily without requiring manual setup or constant attention. That self-managed behavior is one of the biggest advantages of this type of device. In real-world use, it's not about perfection. It doesn't replace deep cleaning or heavy scrubbing sessions. Instead, it focuses on reducing how often you need to do them. Once activated, it moves through the space, covering open areas, edges, and corners in a structured pattern. It quietly handles daily dust accumulation while you focus on other tasks. There may still be occasional areas that need manual attention, but overall cleanliness stays more consistent compared to traditional cleaning schedules. And that's where the real value shows up, not in replacing effort completely, but in reducing it significantly. Over time, floors stay cleaner for longer without requiring constant maintenance from you. The biggest shift here is convenience. Cleaning becomes something that happens automatically in the background rather than a task you have to plan around. So instead of asking whether it cleans perfectly, the real question becomes whether you want to reduce the amount of time and energy spent on repetitive cleaning tasks. If that's the goal, this type of robot vacuum and mop system fits directly into that lifestyle change. Hi guys, if you want to buy this robot vacuum cleaner mop ultra thin 3,800 pascal strong suction, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner with 180 milliliters water tank, drop sensor, 4 pet hair, carpet, then check the link provided in the description. At the end of the day, it's not just about having cleaner floors, it's about simplifying how those floors get cleaned in the first place.